Hey guys, it's me again with another Canva tutorial, and for this video, I will teach you how to blend colors in Canva, whether it's an image, text, or an element. For example, this is our sample photo. So our text here is Tokyo. Or we can just add another text, add a heading, Japan. Then maybe change the font to something more. So how do we blend colors here? You press here A. So here you can see that the colors are just like solid colors, right? So how do we blend them, or how do we find the perfect color we want? We can just simply press this one, and here we can blend the colors already. From red to purple to blue to green, every color in the rainbow scheme. So let's say blue, and you want a lighter touch of blue or a gray touch of blue. So we just go to blue and maybe make the blue lighter. Or maybe red if you want red, or brown in the middle of red. So that's how easy it is to blend colors in Canva. Once again, thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more Canva tutorials. Thank you for watching.